Hey, what's going on, builders? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I had a special request of one of my customers, his 2000 Toyota Camry LE. He wanted a special request of me to do a little walk around review on his car. So today, that's what we're going to be doing. So if you're excited, let's get started. All right, as we're going to walk around, this is a 2000 Toyota Camry. It is a sedan. It's got 4 wheels and the 4 doors, obviously makes it a sedan. One thing about his car that obviously is going to get fixed, but not by me unless he wants me to, is there was a little deer accident and just the headlights all screwed up a little bit, and the front bumper grill, and that'll eventually get taken care of. If you want to see some videos on me fixing them myself, or whatever he decides he wants me to do with it, just let me know in the comments below. I don't mind at all fixing it. That's what we do here at KingszKustomsz. But as we're walking around, this is the exterior. It's very nice. It is actually a Camry LE. It's a V6, and the LE is a very luxury edition for the 2000 Toyota Camry. So yeah, walking around again. It's not modified stock, as you can see, which is fine. That's how the customer likes it. All I did was detail. What I did is I did an exterior cleaning, as long as with a cleaning on the inside. As you can see, the carpets are very nice and clean, and also the dash and all the trim pieces are nice and cleaned as well. And so yeah, as you can see, getting into the car, it does got the got automatic powered seats. Geez, I'm sorry, couldn't speak of that. It's got all 4 windows down controls. It's got lock and unlock, and then it's got the mirror controls right here. Getting into it, it's got the clock right here, obviously air conditioning, glove box, what have you. Garage door opener, so all you gotta do is press this, and normally it has the garage door opener. Or if you want, you can just pull it down like that. It's got 2 mirrors, mirror right here, mirror right here, and mirror right here, and that's it. Let me show you guys the trunk. All right, and to get to your trunk or your gas, the 2 controls are right here. So we're just gonna pull up that. And as you can see, while we're walking back in the trunk, speaking of trunk, KingszKustomsz, obviously. He does have some motor oil. He's just got a hat in here, and the original factory carpets do come in. These are not poop stains, they're not nothing stains. They are stains, but obviously there's dirt, because obviously, yeah. And then we got the spare tire underneath. And then walking around on this side, the carpets are completely clean. It's just these were soda stains. He is my buddy. The customer was my buddy, so obviously I know I know what he's been with the car and how it's been, and yeah. And so getting on the passenger side, it's full sedan. So obviously, being a high schooler or a college or an adult, whatever age you are, you can fit everyone in the back. 4 seats, 5 seats, curl back in. You have a little adapter for your phone so you can charge it. That's a cigarette lighter, but obviously we don't smoke anymore because it's 2022. And then it's obviously got the glove box again, and then the shift knob, so the gear shift, so obviously it's park, reverse, neutral, drive, 2, L for low. Yeah, this is a honk, and that's it. And then also, one of the special features about this 2000 Toyota Camry LE is it does glow up green when the car has power. Well, not power, but when the car is always showing that the battery is powering on, and yeah. So I'm just gonna let you guys hear how it starts, and exactly. We're gonna be taking the keys, putting the ignition switch right here. I just got the chime. And being the LE, no matter what, the lights will always turn on. So as you can see right there, no matter what, it will not be dark. There will always be light in this 2000 Camry. And then as you can hear the sound of it, it's giving me a little bit of rev, not too much. And yeah, that's it. So the radio, just so you hear, guys. And then it's got AC and heat. And then that glows up too. Obviously your pens, cup holders, and then center console. It's got a lot of space, so you can have CDs or what have you in here. And then the e-brake, yeah, parking brake, yeah. Okay, so I really hope you builders like that video where we just toured my customer's 2000 Toyota Camry Le V6. If I ever eventually in the future clean your car and you want it featured on King's Customs on the channel, please let me know. It'll always be great, and I will never mind at all reviewing your car for the channel. So if you liked the video, just don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget, whatever you want to do, but don't forget to build it up. Peace, I'll see you in the next one.